Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm tired, it's like 10:20 on Marcelo right now. We got there yesterday at like 12 something, and my plush dolls are out in the car, so I can't do my bed. Boy, look at this kid. Well, look at this random kid. Hey, you. Get out of here. Go back to your dumb closet. Go back to your closet. You're a random kid. You're a random kid. Get out of here. Get out of here. That's weird. I'll be doing my video sooner or later soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and my friend's YouTube channel will be in the link in the description below. This random kid, what's your YouTube name?
Lowbro202, dude.
Just kidding, he was really my friend. You guys should have known. But don't forget to put in the comment section what I should do next. One of my next vids. Sorry, I had to change my camera mic. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, or I will break my glasses. Oh my gosh, I didn't do it all on. There's a glare. Yeah, there's a glare in my eyes. See, it gives a glare. It gives a big fat glare. How about Cody's Bound?
What were you thinking? I'm making this video too.
Oh, no. Caleb, will you please try to... Caleb! You try to be early. Hi guys, Caleb here. We need to check out, my other channel. I just did. But I had to stop my other channel before. I've been picked up my glasses for one whole day and come here. I didn't wear the same shoes, but all my friends would say, oh, guys, did you see that? What is happening? What is that on the screen? It ain't up here. I've been looking for the coolest guys in the whole entire town, and I finally found them. My friend Jack, my friend Caleb, my friend Oscar, my friend Brandon, and my friend Ruben. 5 kids. We're awesome. Finally. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Bro. You guys just see that? My friend was videotaping me. My friend was videotaping me. I can't believe my friend was just videotaping me after my own video. Yeah, he's doing his own video. So yeah, he has his own channel and he's doing his own video. Whoever's trying to get me on camera, stop. Stop doing it, please. That strange kid's back. He's doing a video in the closet. Closet warts. I get some closet warts. Oh, that's scary.
Mission failed.
Mission failed.
Retreat.
We'll get him next time.
Retreat.
If you want to do that to me, I'll do it to you too.
Yes.
Wait, are you still doing your YouTube video? Hey, Caleb. Come here, guys. Come here, Caleb. Wait.
One second.
Come here. I'm doing a YouTube vid. I want you to see it. Wait, come here. Follow me. Follow me, Caleb. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Hurry. Let's go back into the closet. Run, guys. Caleb. Come on, guys. Let's go to the closet. I got something. Caleb!
Yep.
Get in the closet, come on. I got a lantern. Jesus, hurry up. You guys see me now? Okay, we got a lantern in here. Okay, we don't have a doorknob, but it's scary. Let's turn down the light. Okay, let's go show a flashlight. Oh, actually, I want to do that. How do you put music into your thing? You don't know? I'm trying to keep the camera. Okay, nobody's gonna come in here. Like our own secret little spot that we can all do to beat this. But here we're doing. So are you putting music in?
Yeah.
Oh, you can select what type of, which part you want to put it in?